After missing the playoffs for the first time since assuming his position at the helm of football operations in 2011, John Elway knows he and the Broncos staff have their work cut out for them this offseason. Welcome into the Denver Post newsroom. I'm Alexis Perry with your DPTV Sports Minute. Just like last year, Elway will have some tough decisions to make regarding the starting quarterback position and those whose job it is to protect said quarterback. While Elway mentioned the Broncos are happy with their current pair of gunslingers in Trevor Siemian and Paxton Lynch, he added he's going to take a look at and consider all of their options for the position once they're made available. So, if the Cowboys make the first move, one option the Broncos may look at is bringing in 13-year veteran Tony Romo, but it has to make sense for the team long term. No matter who's taking the snaps, the offensive line needs to be upgraded for both Denver's aerial attack and run game to improve from 27th and 22nd in the league, respectively. If the O-line gets straightened out, maybe Christian McCaffrey, son of Broncos legendary wideout Ed McCaffrey, could boost Denver's ground game as he's projected as a late first or early second round selection in the upcoming draft. McCaffrey will meet with Elway and company tonight, but the flashbacks and "I remember the day you were born" stories will be short-lived because this is a job interview. Stay tuned to DenverPost.com as Nikki Javala and Cameron Wolf will have the latest from the Combine, and follow me on Twitter for even more from the Denver Post Sports Desk.